guys, long time no see. Brew day. Today I'm going to make a Kölsch, coffee Kölsch. I got this in my Vegas trip at Bangers Brewing and I liked it a lot, so I'm trying to make one for me too. Have to see how it comes out. I hope I can get as near as Banger Brewing got theirs. It was super good. So ingredients: I got Pilsner malt. I'm making a 21 liter batch. Pilsner malt I got 4.3 kilos. Vienna malt 120 grams, and caramel I got the same 120 grams. Then the hops, Liberty at 60, Hallertau at 30 and Crystal at 5. So the mass schedule is going to be 55 degrees 10 minutes, 63 degrees 45 minutes, 70 degrees Celsius 20 minutes, and mash out at 76 degrees. And I'm gonna sparge that. So let's begin. $55 degrees. Whoa. In it goes. All the clumps away. Okay, this is nice. Damn, it's a long time I done beer. I think it's a few months. No, 10 minutes. And then we put the temp up. Here I already put the sparge water because it's gonna take a while. I just have a little heater there. So it's now, I set it at 77 degrees and 76, I'm aiming at 76. 10 minutes down to, was it 64? 63 degrees. I think it's first time I'm making out of Pilsner malt, and this, it's funky color, it's like milk. The color is looking better now. This is the second mass step at 63 degrees. I prepped the fermentation bin, I prepped the hops, so it's all ready to go. It's 20 minutes, still at 63 degrees. I got 60 degrees on the sparge water, everything a-okay. So I'm waking up my yeast for the Kölsch. just put it in 27 degrees of water for half an hour. Third mash. Let's set the temp to 70. Sparge time 12 liters, 76 degrees Celsius, and strike water I had 17.5 liters. Brewing in a blizzard. First one, Liberty. Now the cooking is done. I'm chilling the wort down to 14 degrees. After that I pitched the yeast. Gonna leave it in fermentation for 2 weeks in 14 degrees Celsius. After that I'm going to put in secondary with coffee beans with vanilla taste to it, and gonna leave the coffee beans in the secondary for 2 days and then take them out so that the beer doesn't get so much coffee taste, just a hint. I don't want to overdo it because I don't think it's going to be good that way. Then in secondary 2 weeks, and then I'm going to keg it. Thanks for watching once again. Next brew session is going to be a Hoegaarden clone. I already bought all ingredients for that, so I'm looking forward to brew that and drink that, because Hoegaarden is one of my favorite beers. So, thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys again next time. See ya.